Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing a clean workspace with bright lighting and a tray for screws. Gather a pentalobe 0.8, tri-point Y000, Phillips #000, precision spudgers, and ESD tweezers. Use a grounded ESD mat and wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage. Power off the iPhone and remove the 2 pentalobe screws near the lightning port before proceeding. Keep a parts organizer and label screw positions to avoid mixing screw lengths and locations. Use a suction handle and plastic pick to lift the display assembly gently from the frame. Work from the bottom edge and slide a pick around the bezel to release adhesive. Open the display like a book and secure it to avoid stressing flex cables. Disconnect the battery connector first and then disconnect display and front sensor cables. Remove metal shields and unscrew the screws securing the logic board to access the chip region safely. Preheat the logic board using a hot air station set to 320 degrees C and a ranked nozzle assembly. Apply liquid flux and use a steady hot airflow to melt the chip solder evenly. Extract the old chip with ESD tweezers and clean pads with solder wick and flux to remove residue. Align the replacement chip precisely using magnification and reflow the solder joints for reliable connection. Reattach shields, reconnect cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.